Welcome to the Worth Ave Group How to File a Claim instructional video for group policyholders. First, go to worthavegroup.com and click My Policy. On the login page, enter your registered email and password and click the Login button. If you do not have a registered email and password, please contact your sales executive. Once at the account dashboard, click Manage Policies to begin. Enter the device's serial number to find the correct group policy and click View Policy Details. On the next page, click File a Claim. On the claim form, please tell us who we should contact regarding the claim. Provide a valid phone number and email address if our adjusters need to contact you directly. The Remit To box contains the name and address the claim will be paid out to. Next, tell us about the incident that resulted in damage or loss. Be sure to tell us the date the incident happened and how it occurred. A police report may be required for theft, fire, or other types of losses. Let us know if you'll need a box or label to ship the damaged item to a repair facility. Be sure to read and agree to the claim terms. When you're finished reviewing your submission, click Submit at the bottom. Success! Your claim has been sent for review. After submitting, check your email inbox for a copy of the claims receipt. Keep it for your records. It's very important to wait to hear from your adjuster before proceeding with repairing or replacing your damaged item. Our adjusters will fully review your claim in 1 to 2 business days. Your adjuster will determine if any additional information is needed to process the claim, so check your inbox and spam folder for any messages. After the adjuster has all the information they need, the claims process is finalized. He or she will determine what repair or payout method would be suitable for your claim. Thank you for choosing Worth Ave Group. We look forward to resolving your claim.